In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox to your website. This dynamic feature can enhance user engagement by displaying your content in a visually impactful way. We'll guide you through the essential steps, from inserting a form to setting up triggers, and finally publishing your work. Let's delve into the details and see how it's done. First, to enhance your website with a lightbox, you'll want to begin by locating the lightbox tool in your website editor. Most website builders provide this option in their toolbar or within the widgets section. Once you find it, select and add the lightbox to your page where you want it to appear. This setup provides a pop-up window that can dynamically present additional content without redirecting users from the page they're currently on. After you've added the lightbox to your page, the next step is to insert a form. This is crucial if you want users to submit information directly from the lightbox. Whether it's a contact form, a newsletter sign-up, or a feedback form, choose a layout that suits your needs best. To insert a form, click inside the lightbox and navigate to your form options, which should be close to where you found the lightbox widget. Insert the form by choosing Add or Insert from the menu, making sure the design matches your site's aesthetics for a seamless user experience. Ensure the form fields are relevant to your purpose, and keep the number of fields to a minimum to encourage user completion. With your form in place, configuring triggers is a key step. Triggers are the actions that cause the lightbox to appear on screen. You can set up a trigger to have the lightbox pop up automatically when the page loads, or you can decide to have it triggered by a specific action, like a button click. To set the triggers, locate the option within the lightbox settings. For an automatic appearance, choose On Page Load, which will display the lightbox as soon as visitors land on the page. For a clickable trigger, select the corresponding option and specify the element on your page that should start the lightbox display when interacted with, such as a specific button or link. Finally, once everything is set, your lightbox is arranged, the form is in place, and your triggers are configured, it's time to publish. By hitting the Publish button, all the changes you've made will go live, and the lightbox will operate as an interactive part of your website. Before wrapping up, consider testing the lightbox one more time by visiting your website to ensure it functions smoothly with all intended triggers working correctly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a lightbox to your website. This enhancement not only beautifies your online presence, but also promotes better engagement with your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating!